Jamberoo Recreation Park, 1987.
Jamberoo Recreation Park, where the fun can last forever.
Jamberoo Recreation Park, for a full day of fun for all the family. Albion Park Road, Jamberoo, open weekends, school and public holidays.
Jamberoo Action Park 2024. Due to the type of rides and the lifeguards doing their jobs, it was hard to get footage with the GoPro, so bear with me. The wave pool is way more fun than I remember.
What do you reckon after the wave pool? Great? Good fun?
Good!
Woo!
Woo! Is this the lazy river?
Elodie, come over here.
Rapid river ride. Woohoo! Tornado time, you.
Dodging wings. Ah, squirted. Right in the kisser.
Jumping around the tubes is heaps of fun. This is inside the steel taipan. And this is the view, walking up to the Stinger and the Octo Racer. The Funnel Web and the Storm, both the wildest rides here at the park in my opinion.
Damn! Hey, Bubby.
Someone went on with them.
Yeah.
Now the park is done, it's time for a drink and some food at the Shellharbour Marina.
There was a lot of caffeine in that. It was good.
Guys, I have
Just trying to slow down.
So cool seeing boats moor up while you eat or drink.
How cool.
This local legend let the kids interact with his pet birds.
Yeah, just relax. Just relax. So consented. Yeah, that's it.
Alright? There we go.
He's hanging on.
He's like, I'm holding your hand.
Alright? Hanging on to your head.
No. And try and make it short as big as you can. So make it this.
So funny. Yeah.
Straight into this. There we go.
Right. You have your hand out. Look at the camera.
Yeah, cool.
It's like a look at your face.
Unreal.
I'm excited.
Huh? Yeah, I know you want it, but it's a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
That's a bit wild.
Run, Noodles.
Spinning it the opposite
Spin,
way.
spin, spin.
It's so hard.
Oh my god, look Elodie, keep going. Can I have a go?
Wait, you had a long time. It's hard before.
Oh jeez.
That's right, eh?
Whoa, Dad, look. Look at that. Oh, ew, Dad.
Just gradually just continue.
What an amazing sunset over the escarpment.